Yeah. Okay. Now, can you send the link, beta? If you are having mobile, means share the link. So, true and false part we are going to check. Now, look here. We'll start the work. What is the question? If the height of the tower, if length of the shadow is 10 meter and sun's altitude is 45 degree, is 10 meter. So is it true statement or false statement? Come on, go for it. See, the height of the tower, can you share it fast? The height of the tower, if the length of the shadow is 10 meter and sun altitude is 45 degree, is 10 meter. Is the statement true or false? The answer is true statement. Beta, can you send your friends also? And that online group, anyone is there in online group? Anu, can you share the link, please? Mobile is for work. So I don't have mobile right now with me, okay? Share it. So now definitely it is exactly going to come as, so the height of the tower, if length of the shadow is 10 meter and sun's altitude is 45 degree. Sun's altitude is how much? 45 degree. So because sun's altitude is 45 degree, length of the shadow is exactly what? Length of the shadow is 10 meter. So that means height of the tower will also come 10 meter. This is a true statement. Why? Because tan 45 degree is how much, beta? Tan 45 degree is 1. So 10 by 10 only will be coming as 1. Now go for question number 20. If the length of the A is 20 meter and angle of elevation is 60 degree, then height of the tower is 20 by root 3. Come on, solve it. Everyone start solving the question, please. Is it coming 20? 20 root 3? What is the answer coming? If the length of the shadow of the tower is 20 meter and elevation is 60 degree, then the height of the tower is, so elevation is 60 degree, height of the tower is, and this is 20, and here it is exactly how much degree is there? 60 degree. So here it is coming as tan 60 degree is equal to h by 20. So h will be equal to 20 root 3. Understood? Because tan 60 is there. But here it is written 20 by root 3. Is it true or false? The correct answer is it is a false statement. It's a false statement, not a true statement. Because 20 root 3, here it is written 20 by root 3. Understood? The answer is 20 root 3, but here it is given as 20 by root 3. Absolutely correct. Those who have given the answer, that's absolutely correct. It is 20 by root 3. 20 by root 3. Now we will go for the next one. A little boy is flying a kite. The string of kite makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. If the height of the kite is 21 meter, then the length of the string is 35 meter. Come on, check. Then the length of the string is 35 meter. Is it true or false? Come on, go for it, please. Come on, everyone. Start solving this question. A little boy is flying a kite. The string of kite makes an angle with the ground is 30 degree. The string of kite makes an angle with the ground is 30 degree with the ground. If the height of the kite is 21 meters, so 21 meter is the height of the ground. Okay, then length of the string. So let the length of the string be h. So sine 30 degree will be 20 by h. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So h is equal to 40. But here what they have given? 35. So answer is false. You understood how to write true and false? Understood how to write true and false? Can you post in the group that class started? Anupuram group, anybody post the message? Class started. Okay. Have everybody understood this one? So this is coming as next question. Now we will go. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. If the height of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is how much? 30 degree. If the height of the tower is doubled, then angle of elevation of its top will also be doubled. Is it true or false? The angle of elevation of top of a tower is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is double, then angle of elevation of its top will also be double. Just now you proved. True, you are saying. That means what? You need to check if the height of the tower is double. See, look here. Theta is the angle of elevation. Got it? Now, what is the height? Listen. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. If so, height is double. So, this is height and this is distance x. So, tan theta is equal to h by x. Now, height is double. Tan theta is equal to 2h. This is coming. So, here, what will be the new case? This is the initial theta, tan theta 1. Now, here, this is new tan theta 2. So, theta 2 is the new angle. Understood? So what will be the case? At that case, is it going to be doubled? Yes, elevation angle will be doubled or only height will change. You need to understand this nicely because previous question elevation angle did not change. Elevation angle did not change. Understood? So here you need to answer this question very nicely. Come on, say the answer nicely. True or false? Many people are telling true. Some people are also telling false. Anyone else? Okay, what makes you say true? I taught in the previous question only one thing. Angle will not be changed. See, elevation angle will change. See, elevation angle change. How elevation angle will be changed? Height will be doubled, means base will be changed. Understood or not? So, change in height will change the base, but angles remains the same. So, here this is a false statement. You need to remember the statement will be false statement. Check this one out. 30-degree given. Yes, that's correct only. Answer is also same only. That means it is not going to change. It is not going to change. What is the angle of elevation given, beta? 30 degree. First case, what is the angle of elevation given? 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to x by h. Understood? So it is coming as 1 by root 3 is equal to x by h. So x is equal to root 3h. Got it? Huh? So x value is coming root 3h. Now they are telling that what is the new, will the angle be changed if height is doubled? So if double of height will be there, x is exactly same and x is root 3h. So 100% this part will be exactly change. Value will change but angle remains the same. So definitely answer is coming as false. Can you go for the next question please? Come on, go for this question. A person walking 20 meters towards a chimney in a horizontal line through its base. So, chimney in a horizontal line through its base observer that its angle of elevation changes from 30 to 45. Then height of the chimney is this much. So, can you tell me what is the correct answer? Come on, go for it. A person walking 20 meters towards a chimney in a horizontal line through its base observes that its angle of elevation changes from 30 to 45 degrees. So, beta angle of elevation is changing. When the person is going from, first it was 30 degree, now it is coming as 45 degree. Understood or not? 30 to 45 degree towards a chimney. So towards a chimney means first it is 30 degree, and after going some distance it will become 45. This is the correct one. So a person walking towards this much chimney. So this distance will become x. So tan 45 degree is equal to 20 by x. So x is equal to 20. So tan 30 degree is equal to 20 by y plus x. X is 20 now, so 1 by root 3 is equal to 20 by x is 20, 20 plus y. Correct now? So here it will become 20 plus y is equal to 20 root 3. Y is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So that means 20 by root 3 minus 1 they have given. It is coming as 20 root 3 minus 1. So it is a true statement or false statement, children? 20 by root 3 minus 1. Come on, check. Come on, check. 20 by root 3 minus 1. Check, is the statement true or false? 20 plus x is there na beta. Tan 45 h is there. We'll check what is the degree given. First given as root 3. So 1 tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So it will come 20 plus h. Check everyone this value. What is the height of a person walks 20 meter towards a chimney? Sorry. Space. No beta. One thing I forgot. This is 20 meter given. And then here it is x, and then that is height, because they are asking height of chimney. Just now I saw height of chimney. So height of chimney means this is exactly 30 degree, this is 45 degree. So first x is equal to h. If tan 45 degree, that means h by x, h by x. So now how much it is coming? H is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to h by 20 plus x. So here 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 20 plus x. X value we don't know. So here how much it is coming? H is equal to x. So here also we can write h. So 20 plus h is equal to root 3h. So root 3h minus h is equal to 20. So h is equal to 20 by root 3 minus 1. What is the answer? 20 by root 3 minus 1. So statement is true. Statement will become true. Absolutely, yes. The statement will become true, beta, if this is exactly going to, because I thought height of chimney is 20. I took height of chimney as 20. Okay. Now look here. These are some of the questions which we are going to do as very fast as possible. Seriously, I'm very angry because she did not left any space between the question. It is very clumsy and I'm not getting time to solve. Seriously, it's like they have sent a very bad question this time. How I'm going to see this part and go to another screen and solve and again come see, again come go and see. This is really stupid. The space is not there. How I'm going to solve? At least some space she should provide now. Brightness is maximum. I'm trying to know the features here. Hey, Desai uncle. Here I'm struggling with this. Space is not there. How to solve when you're Desai uncle, Desai uncle? The length of the shadow of a tower on the plane is root 3 times the height of the tower. Understood? So length of shadow is root 3 times height of the tower. So definitely what is the angle given, beta? We have to find the angle. So let the angle be theta. Let the angle be theta. So now what they are telling that the length of the shadow, what they are telling that the length of the shadow on the ground of the plane is root 3 times the height. So length is exactly root 3 h. What is the angle? Come on, say. tan theta is equal to h by root 3h. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 degree. So theta is coming as 30 degree. So those who have written theta as coming as 30 degree, they are absolutely correct. So theta is coming as what degree, beta? 30 degree. Wait, I'll try to make some. Is it visible? For you, it is visible. Punch you. Wait, you come and meet me. I seriously punch you. Now, the ratio of height of the tower and the length of its shadow is 3 root 3 is to 1. It is visible to class? Because I need some space to solve here. See, look here. Question number 25. The ratio of height of the tower to length of its shadow. So, height of tower to length of shadow. So, this is height and this is length of shadow. The ratio between height and this is exactly coming as root 3 by 1. What is the angle of elevation? So, definitely we know that tan theta is equal to root 3 by 1. So, tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. So, theta is coming as 60 degree. I. This is coming as 60 degree. Done? It is coming as 60 degree. Now here next question, 26 question. What is the angle of depression of the object at E from the observer point A if AD is equal to ED? What is the angle of depression of the object at E from the observation point A? Angle of depression. So A is here, beta. What is the angle of depression of the object at E? Observation point is A. This might be D. This is theta and this is theta. So if AD is equal to ED, observation angle will be what? This is 1 and this is 1. Na? So that is what? Tan theta is equal to AD by ED. So AD is already equal to ED given. Na? That means AD by AD cancel, it is coming as 1. So theta will come as 45 degree. Theta will come as 45 degree. Theta will come as how much degree, beta? 45 degree. Absolutely super. So theta is coming as 45 degree. Now we will go for question number 27. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Come on, solve this question. Hey, you people are not solving. Draw and solve 27, 20, 29, 30. After that, we will go for, after 31, we will go for case studies. Come on, go for it. Vishwa solved already. See how fast Vishwa, Naren, and these three people are solving very fast. Veda might have came. He told he want to come. Yes. He told he will come. Now look, beta, I am sending the link to all the groups. Ready, everyone? What is the answer? Hmm. Now look here, beta. Question number, which question we are going to solve? Come on, say, this is question number. Yes, 27th question. Come on, check this one out. 27th question, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Such huge question, no space given, miss. Seriously. It is not going, yaar, you see now. Seriously, waste only. Now look here. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is, angle of elevation, height of the tower is given how much, beta? So 30 meter away, this is 30 meter away, and angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. Find the height of the tower h. So 100% tan 30 degree is equal to h by 30. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 30. So 30 by root 3 is equal to height. Done? So now this is question number 9, 29. 29 question is a kite is flying attached to a thread which is 140 meter long. So kite is exactly here and the thread is exactly how much? 150 meter long. The thread makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. Find the height of the kite from the ground assuming that there is no slack in the thread. This is 30 degrees. So sine 30 degree is equal to h by 150. So 1 by 2 is equal to h by 150. So 150 by 2 is equal to h. So 75. So height is coming as 75. Understood? So question number 29 done. We will go for question number 31. 30. So now find the length of the shadow of a ground pole. See, ground of a pole of height how much given, beta? Of height 18 meter. Find the length of the shadow on the ground of a pole of height 18 meter. So height is exactly given how much, beta? 18 meter height. When the angle of elevation of the sun is, so tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. So here, beta, what is the shadow? Shadow is taken as x. So you know that tan theta is equal to 18 by x. So tan theta value is 3 by 5 is equal to 18 by x. So x is equal to 18 into 5 by 3. This is 5. So here, sorry, 3. So 3, 6 are 18. So x is coming as 30 meter. So the shadow casting is how much meter? 30 meter. Shadow casting answer is 30 meter. Wow, super, fantabulous. Many people have given. Nishant, very good. Narain, super. Vishwa, you are on fire, boss. Nice. Definitely Kavya, Maha, constantly you people are answering questions. Nishan, I'm seeing your consistent efforts, beta. Super, super. No words to say you. Ashmita also solved. But you try to check your live or not. Yeah, you people have to solve and check and inform me. Okay, Darshini, absolutely better. So you need to answer the questions also, Darshini. Otherwise, I'll not be able to know that you are in the group. Now, next question is AB is a 6-meter high pole and CD is the ladder inclined at an angle of 60 degree. AB is a 6-meter high pole. And CD is a ladder. So CD will be inclined like this, not like this. CD will be inclined on it, making an angle 60 degree to the horizontal and reaches up to a point D of the pole. If AD is equal to, AD is coming as 2.5 meter. That means this part will become 6 minus 2.5 meter. If the length of the ladder, then find the length of the ladder. So this is 2.5, AD is given as 2.5, the length of the ladder. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine 60 degree is equal to 2.5 by CD. So root 3 by 2 is equal to 2.5 by CD. The length of the ladder is 5 by root 3. The length of the ladder is 5 by root 3. Yes, the length of the ladder is 5 by root 3. So now beta, we are going to go for the case study. Very good. Now, are you ready for the next part? Case study section, and your time starts now. First you read and your time starts now. Can you email me please? Are you ready? Just one bit. Your file only I'm asking to download. Done. Now look at beta. Next question. A group of students of class 10 visited the India Gate on an education trip. The teacher and students had interest in history as well. The teacher narrated that the can I India Gate official name is Delhi Memorial, originally called as All India War Memorial. Okay. Monumental sandstone, write down everything. Monumental sandstone arch in New Delhi is dedicated to troops of British India who died in war fought between 1914 to 1919. The teacher also said that the India Gate, which is located at eastern end of the Kartavya path, is about 138 feet, 42 meters in height. So exactly what and all thing based on the above information, solve the following. What is the angle of elevation? So beta, what is exactly given is It is the teacher also said that the India Gate, which is located at eastern end of Kartavya Path, is about 138 feet in height. So, what is the height of India Gate? 138 feet. Remember that 138 feet. So, what is the angle of elevation if they are standing at a distance of 42 root 3 meter away from monument? 138 feet. That is 42 meters. 138 feet means 42 meters. So here what is exactly given? India Gate height is 42 meters. And what is exactly if they're standing at a distance of 42 root 3? So tan theta is equal to 42 by 42 root 3. So theta is coming as how much degree? 30 degree, because theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree. So theta is coming as 30 degree. Theta is coming as how much? 30 degree. Absolutely everybody solve. This is one of the most important question. 30 degree. Now shall we go for the next question? They want to see the tower at an angle of 60 degree. So they want to know the distance where they should stand and hence find the distance. Understood? Now they want to see with an elevation of how much degree? 60 degree. How much degree? 60 degree. Height of India Gate is 42 meter. Now they are changing the elevation as 60 degree. So where they should stand? So what should be the distance? So tan 60 degree is equal to 42 by x. So root 3 is equal to 42 by x. So x is equal to 42 by root 3. So root 3 by root 3. So here x is coming as 42 root 3 by 3. So here it is 14. So 14 into 1.732. So 1.732 14. The correct answer is option A, 24.24. Option A. So here this answer is 24.24. Check, multiply. You will be getting the answer as 24.4. I hope everybody understood this one. The answer is coming as how much, beta? 24.4. Absolute, beta. Absolute. The answer is coming as 24.4. Okay, we'll go for the next question, please. Get ready. Now we will be, because this question done, total question set is coming. After this, we will start circle chapter, okay? That is surface area and volume. After this, we are starting surface area and volume. Just beta surface area and volume question given. Solve these questions very nicely. So now next question is question number 3. If the altitude of the sun is 30 degrees, what is the altitude given here? Sun altitude is coming as what degree? 30 degree. Okay, so altitude of the sun is coming as 30 degree. After that, what they are telling, then the height of the vertical tower that will cast a shadow of length 30 meter is, height you have to find. So tan 30 degree is equal to h by 30. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 30. So 30 root 3 by 3 is equal to h. No, it is 10 root 3. 10 root 3, and actually first answer was given by whom? Let's see. No, beta, I'm just checking your second set questions. Because if any mistake means it will come problem. So only I was busy little bit reading the questions. So 10 root 3, 10 root 3, 10 root 3, absolutely correct. Okay. I hope everybody understood this one. Now beta will go for the second case study. Can you go for, okay, no more questions are there. The ratio of length of a rod and its shadow is 24 is to 8 root 3. The angle of elevation of the sun is, come on, go for it. You can do it, children. See the angle, length of the rod and its shadow. So this is the rod and this is the shadow. And the ratio is 24x by 8 root 3x. Understood? This is, then what is angle of elevation? So tan theta degree is equal to 24x by 8 root 3x. X cancel. 8 1 8 which is 16, 8 3 is 24. So tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3. So it is coming root 3 and root 3. So 3 root 3 by 3 cancel. So tan theta is coming as tan 60 degree. So theta is coming as 60 degree. So correct answer is B. Absolute, super fantabulous performance. Everybody before me. So I think who has given the answer first is Maha. Pro. B answer. Ila version I think has given answer. What about the other children? This time all the children are late. Now look at the angle found by line of sight with the horizontal when the object viewed is above the horizontal line is angle of elevation. Absolute. So the correct answer after so long, Naren has given the answer angle of elevation. So the first answer goes to Naren, then Kavya, then uh, who is this person? Maha, after that Nishant, and then Ashwita. So definitely the answer sessions is very good. Now we will go for case study second question, beta. And your time starts now. First you read this one. I'm giving you proper time to read so that you will not say that I am not giving you proper time to read. Come on, go for it. Hmm. So next question is, a satellite flying at height h is watching the top of two tallest mountains in Sikkim. Okay. So two tallest mountain. One mountain is Kanchenjunga. Second is, after that what they are telling, height is, this height is 8586, this height is 1930. So this is the diagram, rough diagram is given. The angle of depression from the satellite to the top of Kanchenjunga and Mullenagiri are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the distance between middle of the bottom of both the mountain is, so what is the distance between DS? DS distance is coming as 2046 kilometer, and the satellite is vertically above the midpoint of the distance between the two mountains. Now, are you ready for solving the question? But first, beta, we will write the heights. What is the height here? Height of this one? Note down in your note 8586. Please first note down in your note 8586. 8586. Note down in your note 8586. And this height is 1930. 1930. One is 8586. One is 1930. 8586 and second one is 1930. 8586 and second one is 1930. The angle of depression of the satellite is 60 degree. For one is 30 degree. So this elevation is coming as 30 degree and this elevation is coming as 60 degree. So this is the top now. So elevation is coming here as 60 degree respectively. The distance between middle of the bottom. So this distance between this DS, you need to draw. I can't draw here. So DS is coming as how much, beta? So all the values you note down, so I'll be asking you. So what is the final drawing? Did you remember the drawing? Please remember this drawing. Actually, this is coming like this. So this part is there. First, it will become like this. This is coming as 30 degree. So this part will become 30 degree. And this height is exactly coming as what? This part height is 8586. And after that, this is exactly coming like this. This height is coming as how much? 1930. After that, yes, this is 60 degree. So this part will become 60 degree. So this height is given, 1930. And distance between, see listen, distance between both the base is exactly given as how much? 2046 kilometers. Understood? But here one thing is there, height is given as there 8586 meter, 8586 meter. But here distance is given as kilometer. So 2046123 meter. Understood? So this much is the distance in meters. Now what they are telling, and the satellite is vertically above the midpoint of the distance between them. So satellite is in the midpoint of the distance between them. So this distance will be 1023 and this distance will be 1023. Middle point. Now this distance is at middle point. So this is 1023 kilometer and this is 1023 kilometer. Then you have to convert it into meter. So I hope, did you draw the drawing please? When I'll be asking, you need to tell me the values. Okay. The distance of the satellite from the top of Kanchenjunga is. Come on, go for it. One more time, can I draw? Because we need to draw this part. Fuck. Now, can you tell me the height values? Is it visible to all of you children? Can you say, is it visible, beta? The distance of the satellite from the top. So beta, look here, this is exactly given to you. Now can you give me the values, because I told you to retain the values. So this distance 1023. Children, take this one out. This distance is what? 1023 kilometers. So this will also become 1023 kilometers. What is the angle here? The angle is exactly as 30 degree. So this is 1023 kilometer. Understood? Now what they are asking, the distance of satellite from the top of Kanchenjunga. The distance of satellite from top of Kanchenjunga. So 1023 kilometers, and this is the distance from the top of Kanchenjunga. Correct now? So here this is hypotenuse and this one is considered as base. So cos 30 degree is equal to 1023,000 by hypotenuse. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, 1023,000 h. So h is equal to 1023,000 into 2 by root 3. Understood? So here 5, 6. So here root 3, we will multiply it with root 3 and root 3. So here it is coming as 2 will multiply. It will become 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2, 000 into root 3 by 3. Because 3 will come, so here it will come 3 6 are 18, then 2 4, 3 8 are 24, 3 2 are 6, 000. So 682,000 into 1.7, how much they told to take? 732 we will take. So definitely answer will come 1.732. These questions will be solved very precisely. 6 to the 2 to the 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14, 2 1 are 2 3, 8 2 are 16, 8 is 24, 25 2, 6, 7 8 56, 57 58, 5 8 1 is 8, 9 10 11 12 13. Then coming as 6 to 12, 6 3 18, 1 19, 6 7 42, 43, 4 6 10. So how much it is coming beta? 4 2 12. So approximated it is coming as 1 1. Yes, 117. That means approximated this one. 1181.22 kilometers. So approximated this value. A is the answer. Approximated that value absolutely. Let's see. Approximated, what is the answer? Approximated answer is taken as A. I hope you might have understood. So approximated answer is taken as A. Now what we are going to do is the vertical distance of the satellite. Beta, you will take the video little bit forward, means you will be able to see and get the answer. What we have done. Everything is written there. Means from one satellite, one mountain is seen. That is Kanchenjunga. From that same satellite, another mountain is seen. And what is the name of that mountain? Nah, that is in Tamil Nadu only, na? Seriously. And distance between them is given in kilometers. Right. Distance between, yes. So distance between them is given in kilometer, and they told that the satellite distance is middle of that. That is coming as 1023 and 1023. Distance kilometer. That is the satellite, and the satellite is making a depression angle of 30 degree, and from here it is making 60 degree with this mountain. So this one will become 60 degree. Correct now? Now what is the height of this? This is the height of Kanchenjunga. 8386 na? Huh? 8586. And what is the height of this one? 1 1930. Okay. So this is exactly the two things we have done. Now we are going to go for the next one. Second question is what they are asking, that the distance of satellite from the top of this same type question, this distance we have to find. And beta, what is 1023? Here also it will become 1023. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular. Tan will not be taken. Again we have taken cos. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1023 by h. So h is equal to cos 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Same value is coming now. See, cos 60 degree is there, cos 60 1023 is there. So approximated same value will be coming, 1181 or lesser than that it will come. Wait, let me check. The distance of the satellite from the top of Mullainagari, correct na? This is 60 degrees. 60 degrees root cos 60 degree. That here cos 30 degree was there. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 1023 by h. H is equal to 2046. 2046. C is the answer. 2046. Yes, beta, cos 60 degrees. So 2046 will be the answer. Yes, absolutely correct. The correct answer is 2046. The correct answer is 2046. Done? Now third question, the vertical distance of satellite from the ground. That is total distance. Now this they are asking. See, this distance is how much here? 8586. If we will find this distance, means we will get the distance of the satellite. So this is already 30 degree given. This is given as 1023 kilometer. So we will write tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular this height by 1023. Correct? Now here tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 1023. So 1023 23 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So 1023 root 3 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. So 341 into 1.732. Quickly do and tell me the value. 341 into 1.732. Good afternoon. Come on, go for it. 341 into 1.732. Option is coming as? Did you add it after that? What is the value coming? Just tell me the value. 596 590. 590 have to add this one also, na? Because they told that 590, the vertical distance of the satellite from the ground, because this total distance will come, na? Here it is how much? 8586. And then it is coming as the vertical distance. In kilometer answer will come 8586, and then how much it is? 590.12. This is in meter. This is also coming in, excuse me, this is kilometer. This is kilometer, na? So that means also this is coming in kilometer. So here it is 590.612, and this kilometer means it will come like this, 8 point. So definitely it will come 8.586. So it will come 891, here 599. So answer will come as B, 599.2. Understood? Because this one is given in meter. Converting this in kilometer will come 8.5 kilometer. And for this height is coming as how much? 590 kilometer, because we have taken this part as kilometer. So this kilometer part and this kilometer part. Added together, how much you are getting? 599.2 kilometer. I hope everybody understood now, beta. It is coming as 599.2 kilometer. Okay, well done, children. So now this is exactly less. If the stone vary, fourth question, what is the angle of elevation of the top of this mountain if the man is standing on the distance of this from Kanchenjunga? Find the angle of elevation of the top of Kanchenjunga mountain if a man is standing at a distance of this much from Kanchenjunga. Angle of elevation will become 45 degree, na? How? Look here, beta. Why? Because see, the distance is exactly, see, this is the height of Kanchenjunga is this much. Man is standing at a distance of this much meter. And it is exactly making an angle theta. So definitely tan theta is equal to 8586 by 8586. Cancel. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. So theta is coming as 45 degree. Theta is coming as how much? 45 degree. I hope you might have understood this one. So theta is coming as 45 degree. This PDF I am going to provide you to the group. Okay. Now if the stone very far away from 45 degree of the top of Mulenagar mountain, so that the distance of the stone from the mountain is, Yes, because it is making 45 degree. 45 degree means then distance will be 1930. Then distance will be what? This is same Navita Mulle Nagar. It is making angle 45 degree. The stone is making an angle of 45 degree and it is how much distance? 1930. Then height is 1930. Understood? Then height is also coming as 1930. So direct answers are coming in this situations. I hope you might have understood. Now this type questions will you will be able to solve. Come on, go for it. So case number 3, case number 4, I'm sending this PDF in your group for experimentation. So will you solve these questions? Okay. So I'm keeping it till here. Again, second session for, I have to start second session for surface area and volume. Okay. I'll take some time and start the second session. These case studies I'm giving you for your self practice.